In order to access your Salesforce, you have to go to iam.oxinity.com. Then you need to click on this little icon on the bottom left with your name, and then on the tab Salesforce. In the Salesforce, you will find a lot of interesting information for you in order to keep a track of your campaigns and also of your potential prospects, clients, and leads. The following tabs are going to show you the statistics of your interested people for today, as you may see here. So far today, as we can see in this task, we have 5 interested people, 1 person in follow-up, 1 trial, no pending bank account, no clients, no withdrawal. Also, we can change the dates here in order to see our statistic for the whole month, for example. As you can see here, we are basically observing how many students, how many prospects, how many clients we've got during these 11 days. Before we get to these tables, we want to also have a look at your clicks, at your campaigns. So you need to click on this little icon called clicks, and you will open your statistics of the campaigns and of different days and of different times that the campaigns were shared. We're observing our statistics for the last 7 days, even though if you want, you can also check it for the previous month, for the whole season, or for the whole year. So far, we've got 6 visits from 0 users. Basically, it was myself. And we can see how many visits per day we are getting. Some days are performing better than others, so this statistic is going to be very useful for you to understand which days are the best to share the campaigns on social media or through your contacts. So far, we can see that we are having 6 clicks on Wednesday, being Wednesday the best day to share things. Also, we can check what time we are getting the most amount of clicks, and in this case, we see that it's 4 o'clock. We can make our conclusions that if we want to share the campaigns and get the most amount of clicks, we need to do it probably on Wednesdays, probably at 4 o'clock. All right. Also, you can check at the front page and see where do these people come from. So in our case, I've got 3 clicks from GA Oxinity Madrid in home and from XXXX campaign 3 clicks. Remember that in the promo button, we can find different campaigns with different links that you may use for promotion. And every time you share things, you have to indicate where do you post that, whether it's campaign 1, campaign 2, campaign on Facebook, or similar. All right, let's go back to our interested people and let's check what's going on with them. Remember that you don't have to call anyone, as in this case we have people who are in charge of that. As for example, when you click on the student's name too, we can see that these are the students' contact details. This is a salesperson. This is a person of charge in following up. And also we can see that the campaign is, that the lead is coming from Oxinity.com, English for Kids, with your IDC code, with the identification of campaign 2. Remember that the test version, in your case, you would see Facebook campaign, WhatsApp campaign, today's date, and so on. Also, you can see that there is a trial. You can check what's going on with this trial. The trial is coming from campaign 1, English for English online. And also, if you wanted to add a specific comment to this prospect, this trial, you could also click on this plus button and add a specific comment. Don't forget to click on save, and this way you would notify the sales team about your specific information. All right, and when you click on close this tab, you would see what's going on and what are the actions our salespeople are taking today. So far, they are going to call the student's name too. And after that, you can keep a track of what's going on with the student later on. If you had an interested student or a lead coming from a marketplace or from an ad or through your personal contact, then you would need to add the student here manually so that our people from the sales team could approach him or her. In order to do so, you need to click on this plus button and introduce the name of the student here, plus any of the contact details, whether it's an email or a phone number. Don't forget to click on Interested and then click on Save. As you can see, we have already introduced a student called Pepe to our Interested column in our Salesforce. Starting from that point, you don't have to worry about anything else. For sure, our people from the sales team would get in touch with him as soon as possible. That's basically all about the Salesforce. Leave your comment if you have any questions and call us or email us if you need any other assistance.